Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to look at the construction of 23 ml LMR, and that's the building straight ahead on the right. It's actually the address of the building, 23 Lady Musgrave Road. Well, is it? Because the one on the left is 80 LMR, so there's no way the one on the right could be 23 MLR. But nonetheless, this is the name of the building. I'm not sure. Okay, 80 MLR building is this one is 80 LMR. Nonetheless, the name of this building on the right is 23 LMR. So we're going to take a tour of it. It's a commercial building and it's not finished yet, but it's very close. Should finish in a couple weeks. Okay, the address on the left is 76.5. The address on the right is 69. So why did they name this building 23 LMR? I don't know. Very nice building though, must say. Actually, I haven't seen anything with the name, but it's still under construction. Okay, as you can see, it's a very nice building. Small compared to the buildings that are being built today, all the high-rise buildings, but a very nice building. Alright, so we're going to continue our tour. If anybody knows the name of the building that we just looked at, I mean, it said 23 LMR, but we could have made a mistake. So if anybody knows, let us leave a comment in the section below. And remember, we make videos every 2 weeks on all the major constructions that's going on in Jamaica. So we'll include it in the update video. So we are back on Lady Musgrave Road now. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.